Wallet security is one of the most important things that I think that everybody in the Web3 space or in the crypto space needs to pay attention to. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the most interesting wallets that I've used personally, and I think that everybody should just discover this wallet. Everybody should just use this wallet. Everybody should know that this wallet actually exists. Now, this is actually an episode of my Web3 product or project series, where I'm still looking for a better name, by the way, where I talk about Web3 products and projects that I find interesting or that I feel that everybody should know about. So yeah, let's review this wallet together. Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So first of all, if you're just seeing my name for the first time, or you're just seeing this face for the first time, or you're just stumbling on this channel for the first time, where have you been? Anyways, before I say any other thing, do well to click on the subscribe button, because you're going to be getting a lot of information and education about Web3 and the crypto space in general. Okay, now this is actually a very special video because I'm going to be reviewing a Web3 product. Now this is where you clap. Yes, okay, this is actually like a part of a series. I call it the Web3 Products and Projects series. In this particular episode, we are going to be talking about the INTMAX Wallet. So from my T, maybe you could just guess, but I'm kind of affiliated with them in a way. I work currently at INTMAX as a developer advocate, and the INTMAX Wallet is actually one of the products that has been developed by the INTMAX team. Now, why am I talking about this wallet? Apart from the fact that I actually work for them, I actually think this wallet is actually one of the best wallets out there that I have used, from the interface, everything. But yeah, we're going to get right into that in a bit. So what exactly is the INTMAX wallet? The INTMAX wallet is a hyper secure non-custodial wallet that can be used from anywhere in the world, and it is designed to make managing your digital assets secure, efficient, and user friendly. So let's get into some of the cool features in the INTMAX wallet. So first thing first, the INTMAX wallet is a seedless wallet. This means that you do not need to write down the 12 or 24 seed phrases that you get when you create a regular crypto wallet. And I think this is actually very cool because using just your email address, you're able to whip up a new wallet account for yourself. I think that's actually quite friendly for everybody, because all of us, or almost everybody, has an email address. So just with your email address or using your Google account, you can easily create a wallet. The second thing is that you can actually use the INTMAX wallet to send and receive crypto. Like I said, it is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that you have full access and full rights to your wallet. You're the one that is in charge of your private key and everything. You're saving everything yourself, but then you can actually send and receive crypto using the INTMAX wallet. INTMAX wallet actually supports a lot of tokens, especially on Ethereum and EVM compatible chains like Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum. So you're able to send and receive crypto in your wallet, and I think specifically over 750 tokens can be used on the INTMAX wallet. And Elizabeth told me that very soon you're going to be able to put Bitcoin in your INTMAX wallet. Another cool thing about the wallet is that you can actually swap your cryptocurrencies right inside of the wallet. So you don't need to go to another platform like Uniswap to actually do your swaps. Right inside of the INTMAX wallet, you can actually swap between different tokens. How cool is that? Now, the most important feature of the INTMAX wallet is security. Guys, I cannot talk about security enough, because we hear about a lot of wallet hacks every single day on Twitter and all other social media platforms, and it's not actually a nice thing. So the INTMAX wallet guarantees you security for your assets with the use of MPC technology, FHE technology, and your biometrics. So I don't want to go too technical in this video, but then just know that MPC technology and FHE technology is used in the INTMAX wallet to make sure that your assets are safe and secure. And of course, biometrics is an added layer of security in the wallet, meaning that for you to do anything, your biometrics, and even in some devices, a passkey is actually required. So nobody can actually move your assets from your wallet just like that. The wallet is actually very, very secure. I feel like this is like the high point of this wallet, because security is one of the things that are actually like a selling point security, the wallet is actually secure, very secure. Okay. Apart from security, another cool feature of the INTMAX wallet is its user experience. Now, the wallet is actually very easy to use. The UI is actually very friendly. The colors, the icons that were used, the text, the font, everything is actually very user friendly, very easy to navigate. From just looking at the wallet, you know what does what, you know where to send, you know where to receive, you know where to swap. Very seamless UI. So another cool thing about the INTMAX wallet is that you can actually use the wallet in different forms. Now, interestingly, the wallet actually has a web application, which is like a website that you can go to and use the wallet right on your browser. But say you want to use the wallet as a PWA, you don't have so much space in your device and you just want to have the wallet as an app on your phone without really installing an app. There's a PWA option where you can actually like add it to your home or whatever your phone calls it, and then you can use the web app as a app or as an app. So that's actually very cool. And then let's say you are the type that wants to install the wallet, you can also like install the wallet on your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store. So you have the app in PWA form, you have the app in a web app form, and you also have the app in a mobile app form. That is actually quite cool, right? Interestingly, there's also like the extension, so you don't need to use any other extension. You actually have the option to use the wallet as an extension on your browser. That is actually amazing, right? And remember, you don't need any seed phrase, you don't need to store any seed phrase. So just by using your Google account or your email address, you're able to create a wallet and use it on any form or platform that you wish. Now, one of my personal faves about this wallet is the account sharing feature. Now, this means that you can use one single account on different devices, and I think this is actually very crucial because on the other wallets that exist, say you want to use your particular account on your mobile phone, say you want to use that wallet on your PC, you would have to transfer your private key. But now the INTMAX wallet allows you to actually use that same account on different devices without moving around your private key. Just by using your email address, like I said, you're able to access that particular account on any device of your choice. I feel like that is like one of the highlights for me. I love that feature because I can use the wallet on my phone, I can still use that same wallet on my PC, I can still use that wallet on my tab, you know. It's just amazing. I find it very interesting, and that's like one of my personal faves about this wallet. Now, the INTMAX wallet has a special feature called the link transfer feature, and I think this is actually like, now this feature actually allows you to transfer assets, which are like cryptocurrencies, to anyone using their social media platforms or using their social login. So using things like your Twitter accounts, or using like Instagram, Medium, TikTok, any of those platforms, you're able to send cryptocurrency to someone. So now say I want to send crypto to you, I don't necessarily need you to send me your crypto wallet address. I just need to know, say, your Twitter handle, and with your Twitter handle, I can literally like generate a link, send it to you, and you're able to receive your cryptocurrencies. How amazing is that? I think that's actually very novel. So you don't need people to actually be crypto savvy for you to send them crypto. Just with the normal social media platforms that they have, or maybe social logins that they have, Medium, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, your phone number, and I think your email address as well. Using those things, having just those things, you're able to send crypto to them. Yes, so that's one of the cool features that the INTMAX wallet gives to you. You might be wondering, why should I choose the INTMAX wallet above other wallets that exist? I think first of all, one of the important things to know is that the INTMAX wallet is actually the only wallet that is supporting the INTMAX protocol. So you're going to be using the INTMAX protocol. I may do another video separately on the INTMAX protocol. You need to have the INTMAX wallet. So aside from that, you actually have access to all of the other cool features on the app, like security. Security is like a very, very important one. This wallet is more secure than the typical wallet. Then aside from that, it's actually very easy to use. It's very easy to send money to people. It's very easy to receive money. You can easily swap inside the wallet, and you know, all of those good stuff. So yeah, why not? Why not INTMAX? One other amazing feature of the INTMAX wallet is the backup feature. So interestingly, if you lose your INTMAX wallet, you actually have an option to back up your wallet. Yes, you can actually back up your wallet. So you know that thing of when you lose your private key, or maybe you lose your seed phrase and your wallet is gone forever. With the INTMAX wallet, provided that you have your master key and the backup file which you get when you're setting up your wallet, you are able to retrieve your wallet. How cool is that? So you don't need to remember those seed phrase, you don't need all of those. If you lose your wallet, you know that you have an option to actually recover back your wallet with all your assets in it intact. In the description box, I'm going to leave a link for you to create your own INTMAX wallet account. Very easy to use. I'm also going to put a guide on, like, step by step on how to do that in the description box. So please don't leave this video without checking the description box to actually set up the INTMAX wallet and begin your own journey to financial freedom using crypto wallet, which is INTMAX wallet. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to this end. I hope you found this useful. For some of you that have never heard about the INTMAX wallet, tell me what you think after creating your account. Drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to see. So yeah, if you have any other products that you want me to review, do well to message me on Twitter or X and I'm going to be happy to do that. Or if you have any video recommendation at all that you would like me to talk about, both technical and non-technical videos, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing. I'll give you 2 seconds to subscribe. Yes, please click the subscribe button and like this video and share this video so that everybody gets to know what is happening on this YouTube channel. With that said, thank you and bye.